Yeah, I'm using computer audio. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for Sandeep Saini. Sandeep Saini, who is appearing for Food Corporation of India accounts manager interview, is expected to come. And yeah, let him come. Hello. Sandeep Saini. Yeah, I'm waiting for him. I don't know why he's not coming. Hello. Yeah, Sandeep has come. Good. Hello. Sandeep, are you there now? Sandeep? Hello. Sandeep? Now it's okay. Now speak out. Now speak. Are you able to? Your आवाज आता नहीं ना? Are you using broadband? Acha, your mic has not come. Your mic. Now please speak.
Yeah, hello. Good morning, sir.
Super. अभी देखो ना
Thank
कितना
you.
अच्छा.
Thank you.
अभी कितना अच्छा आवाज आता है. Except that आपका
Yeah, right.
आपका मुख में लाइटिंग प्रॉपर नहीं है, उसमें कोई तक. नाउ आपका सामने कुछ.
Yeah.
अभी ठीक है. अभी ठीक है. फिर भी नेक्स्ट
Yeah, yes, sir.
टाइम
Now it's okay.
अभी लाइटिंग ठीक है. थोड़ा लाइटिंग बाहर होने से बढ़िया होगा. गुड बॉय, वेरी गुड.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
now it's good.
Thank you, sir.
बिल्कुल. You look
Thank
nice. Sandeep, how are you?
Fine, sir. Fine. What about you?
I'm fine. Good. Now, we were discussing last week about FCI. Now, after meeting me, what are the extra preparation you have done, or were you busy with your regular work only?
No, I was not so busy with my regular work. After discussing with you on last Saturday, I prepared most of the questions that is asked by you. I prepared on my professional questions also.
Yeah,
So today I am more prepared as compared to last Saturday.
very
That
good,
was
very
good
good.
for me.
Yeah, very good. Now, please tell me, I was asking a question. What are the qualities required in a professional manager?
Yes, sir. A manager should be a soft skill person and have a good quality of a management, that how to manage all the employees in a very well manner. And there may be different type of employees in the team. Some of the employees have very soft, that they can do all the work on time, and some of the are very naughty type, they never do work on time. So managers should be have a good skills to manage, how to manage a team, and how to handle all the team members in a good manner, how to get work on time from them, and never scold them to employees that why they are not doing work, and never criticize to anyone, and never do any nepotism also, never do any politics with any team member. So I think managers a good should have a good skills that how to manage a team.
Yeah, good.
That's all. Yeah.
Very good. Now, in the case of say you're coming to your subject, what is break-even
Yes.
analysis?
Just a break-even analysis, that is a point where a company can recover all the expenses incurred by him, and he's at that point he's not earning anything or not losing anything. That is, he's doing at a par level. He's working at a par, that is not losing anything or not earning anything. That is a break-even point.
Yeah,
After that, he's selling more than he will get profit, or he's selling below that point, definitely we will lose.
It will
So
lose.
breaking
Correct.
point, that is no profit, no loss situation.
So beyond that point, whatever extra sales made, that will big profit
Yeah,
for the, yeah, that is good. That's
yeah.
a good point. So that's good. So, but now in this Corona situation, when companies are forced to work with 40% people, 30% people and all, um, what will be
Yeah,
its effect on the profitability of the company? Could you follow
yeah,
what I said?
definitely profitability of the
Could
company.
you follow what I said? Yeah, tell me, please speak.
There is some disturbance in the voice.
No, no.
Hello.
Uh, what will be the effect of this Corona restrictions on the profitability of the company?
Yes, yes, sure. In the Corona period, as compared to last year, for all the organizations, most of the organizations, we can say profitability most is reduced. That is, some of them have 10% on sales, some of the other companies have 50% on sales. That is not all the companies, we can say, in the Corona period, not at least 100% of the target that is prepared in the budget in last year for current year. So in the Corona period, they have loss as compared to last year. There is no increment from compared to last year. So that company also reducing their cost, that how to optimize all the resources. So companies doing strength of
Below its
employee ability.
capacity. Company is working below its capacity now. Yeah.
Yeah, reducing labor cost also, and trying to reduce all the irrelevant expenses. They are doing only relevant expenses and working 20 to 30 or 40% labor capacity. Then they are trying to maintain a break-in point level assume that we can say. They are not focusing that how to earn. They are focusing now how to make a break-in point that will survive the life of the company in the Corona period.
Yeah. That means some people would have lost employment also or
Yeah,
reduced
yeah,
employment.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Some people would have lost employment also. That's right.
Some people lost
That's
their job also. Some of the plants also closed by many companies. Some of my friends told to me many times that their job left from their job because the most of the plant also closed by some of the employer also, because there is
oh,
no turnover, there is no profit chance, then they are closing their plants for some period, and they are paying 20% 50% salary to their employees, so employees are not also happy, so they are leaving their job also.
yeah.
So that is so huge impact on the current situation of the market due to Corona.
Yesterday, a boy from Haryana was talking to me. Some, what is some
Okay.
place? Did you hear that video? FCI video? FCI,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, he is from some Sirsa or some place. How far is it from
Okay,
your
okay.
place?
Sirsa is around 300 kilometers from.
Oh, आपका जगह से 300 kilometers. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So far.
because
Not
उनका वीडियो में तो आवाज बिल्कुल बढ़िया आता था. You saw that? No. कोई
okay.
बात नहीं. Right. Now coming to your accounts,
Yeah,
yeah, chartered accountancy. What are the um, guidance that a chartered accountant or an accounts manager can give to Food Corporation of India? What will be your role as number one chartered accountant? There can be a FCI
yeah.
manager, accounts manager who is not a chartered accountant also. Maybe MBAs. I think they are taking MBAs also. Now, what do you think will be your role in the FCI?
Yes, sir. As we already discussed, I already cleared my chartered accounting examination. So I think I have more knowledge as compared to other MBA or BCom holders. And I have experience also in working in MNC and from last 4 to 5 years I'm working in the organization. So I can add more as compared to other candidates that are fresher or they don't have practical knowledge of the industry. So it will be more beneficial for me that I am certain on having 4 to 5 years experience and can add more in the family of the FCI. So it will be great for me that if I will join to FCI and I will be utilize my past experience and my capability and my study time, whatever I learned. So I will give my 100% if I selected for FCI.
Yeah. Now, in the context of computerization being done in almost all the fields, including banking, FCI and all, that is also
Yeah,
resulting in lot of frauds. Even today, I heard
yeah,
in some television channel, in my own bank where I served, there has been a fraud to an extent of 45 crore. So, what steps can an FCI accounts manager should take in order to see such frauds are not committed? How will you take steps? What steps will you take?
yeah. For protecting from the frauds to FCI, we have to we have to update our team that are using computers that have password login password is ready, and regular meetings with our IT team that how to protect more our systems from the hackers, and we will discuss more on regular basis on 15 days monthly basis. We have a meeting that how to manage all the crashes that are going on in the market, that is fraud fraud type daily basis on going on in the today market. So we will discuss our team regularly and we'll take some guidance also from IT team, especially because we are not IT expert that how to protect the system. So it will be more effective conversation with IT team, with our all the accounts team that are using all the systems. So in that manner we will manage.
Good, good. The point there is, as a manager, you should not depend on any one or two people. If you depend
Exactly.
on one person more, he may take a ride over you and he may commit frauds. So
Yeah,
you must have a check over them. You have to believe people, at the same time oversee the performance that they are giving. For example, X is some echo is coming out. Yeah. So you have to oversee the performance made by him, check up how he is performing, and have counter check with others also. Not a question of say you are suspecting. आजकल ऐसा हो गया जहाँ इनफैक्ट आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग अ फीलिंग ऐसा में भी ये 45 करोड़ सब प्रॉब्लम होगा तो हमने सोचा that year after all the debits above 1 crore must be authenticated by zonal office or regional office. Isamapi, you have to involve some outside people also. But that is not practicable. It is not practical. Because दिन में हो सकता है 10 to 20,000 entries will come above 1 crore. वो सबको authorizing and maybe a problem and उसमें delay भी हो सकता है. But so under the but in order to say number one, all the precautions are to be followed. What all the rules and regulations are to be followed. We should not violate any norms. For example, I have seen in some cases where people give their password to the next person so that he can operate it himself. Such a thing should never be done. I hope you understand what I say. Yeah. So that is very important. Yeah.
yeah,
Apart from that, a chartered accountant, he has a wide knowledge of all the things, so he may be able to help FCI. Now tell me, what are the taxes on corporates that central government is levying nowadays?
yeah,
Taxes on corporates.
yeah. There are two categories of taxes on corporates. An earlier category that is 30% plus tax and start, and they reduced for other sectors in last year. That is, any corporate that have turnover up to 50 CR, they reduce the tax slab rate for that particular sector.
No,
So
no. I think
for
here you have to be more clear. Like corporate में taxation rate क्या है? That is, new companies को क्या norms है? And old companies का क्या नाम है? I'm not sure. Maybe there are some criteria of turnover being more than this or profit. So, who details you have to know? Are you aware of them or you are not remembering them? You have to tell them clearly. For example, in the month of September of 2019, Nirmala Sitharaman reduced corporate taxation
Yeah.
by 5% or so. 27% income tax rate came down to 22%, something like that. Are you aware of
Yeah.
such provisions? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I am not aware, not remembering till now. That sorry.
अच्छा, अब थोड़ा उसको पढ़ना है. And also,
Yeah.
FCI being an institution of a big level, what will be the tax implications on it? Corporate tax कितना होगा उनका? 30% होगा, 40% होगा, ये बोलना है. Now, as an individual, आपको up to how much money is exempted from income tax?
Yeah, for individual 2,50,000 liability for all, and if he is senior citizen, that is basic liability 3 lakh, and he is super senior citizen, that is more than 8 years, and people that liability is 5 lakh, and more than 5 lakh there will be 20%, or new liability also introduced by the government in the current budget, that is 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% more. It means today two type of taxation system exist for individual, that is old system, that flat 5%, 20%, or new system also introduced by the government, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, different to serve. So today, two type of
Now,
severity
what is
exist
your
for the
view
individual.
regarding this? Why the government is confusing us, having two systems? Why? Do you
Yeah,
understand what
actually,
I'm
government
asking?
is,
Why
yeah,
there should
yeah,
be two systems?
yeah. Actually, government is not making rush because government is giving more options to any individual, that is he should invest, he should have a saving plan for futures, so that he is moving in the new system, because in the old system you have all the investment, all savings proof, then you can, then old system will be good for you. If you don't doing any investment, don't have saving proof, then new system will be good for you. So government is not misguiding to the individual, they are providing more benefits, they are promoting the individual, that you should have some investment for your future plans also, should invest in tax saving also, that will reduce your tax system. So
Yeah,
government is not ultimately getting that is for beneficial for the individuals, for
yeah,
taxpayers, we can say.
not
Yeah.
true. But
Intention is to,
yeah, continue.
yes, so the intention of the government is not to misguide the taxpayers. They are providing more comfort to individuals, that to every individual have to understand that how to manage their money ultimately. So they introduce two systems, not introduce two systems, one old system, they introduce new system for providing more clarity about the system. Because if any person don't want to invest, don't want to have any saving, then he can move in new system. If someone is already doing some investment, some future plans, then old system will be good for you.
Correct.
So
So people who are
new
interested in
system introduced by,
investing, they can go for old system. People who are not
yeah,
investing, they can go for new system. Yeah,
new system that will
I
be
can
benefit all.
I can
Government
follow
providing
this.
guidance also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good. You told nicely. I think last time did we discuss about GST? Did we discuss
No,
GST का
no.
बारे में? आप बताइए हमको. I am a layman. GST का बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानते हैं. इसके बारे में हमको थोड़ा सिखाओ. मने क्या क्या परसेंटेज है, वो कैसे अकाउंट करना है, इसी
Yeah.
वजह से हाउ पीपल आर बेनिफिटेड और नॉट बेनिफिटेड.
Yes. GST basically, I think you already know, introduced in 2017 after including all 17 tax indirect taxation in merged only in tax, one tax, that is called GST. The logo of GST, we can say one tax, one nation, and one country. So GST basically is a indirect tax. If we are purchasing or selling any items, then only one tax will be levied on them. That will be called GST. That will reduce all the burdens of the any businessman, any shopkeeper. Because at the time there were number of taxes, that is service tax, excise, VAT, different taxes. So government merged all the taxes in one tax that is called GST. So it's very easy manner. And introduced e-way bill system also to curb the bill system also. So many intents of the government to introduce GST to reduce the black money and to give more clarity to the customers also and more clarity to businessmen also that don't run so type about taxation or accounting purpose. Focus on their business and GST is only one tax for all over India. There is same tax rate also. Government introduced whole tax. I can tell you that is 5%, 12%, 18%, 20%
What
on
about
different type of
5%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 24%?
and 28%, sorry.
28. Acha, 24 or 28? I think what you are telling is not correct. Anyhow, let me check it up. GST
Yeah,
rates.
yeah, 28%.
Oh, you are right.
23%.
You are correct. Very good. GST is 28%. That is
That is max on some other product that is luxury item that
luxury
maybe
items such
surcharge
as small
also. So
cars, consumer durables like AC and refrigerators, premium cars, cigarettes, aerated
yeah,
drinks, high-end motorcycles are included under 28%. अच्छा आप लोग का प्रोडक्ट 28% में आएगा हेलो
yeah, it's in my present corporate
28 में आएगा
18%.
18% yeah 18% is given for hair oil toothpaste soap capital goods industrial intermediaries yeah
Yeah,
12% this
yes,
includes computers and processed food 5% is for household necessities such as edible oil sugar spices tea and coffee
yeah,
then coal, mishti, mithai, Indian sweets, and life-saving drugs are also covered under GST of 5%. Acha, good. Now,
yeah,
uh, what are the different classifications? They say some state GST, central GST. उसका बारे में बताओ जी.
yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, क्या है कि GST का उन्होंने different गवर्नमेंट के रिवेन्यू पर्पस किया है तो GST में जो टैक्सेस इंक्लूड किए हैं उसको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के उन्होंने कर किए हैं कुछ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के उन्होंने मर्ज करके एक टैक्स बनाया है वन नेशन वन टैक्स दैट इज कॉल्ड GST. So उन्होंने डिफरेंट टाइप के तीन टैक्स लगाए हैं बेसिकली यू कैन से SGST that is state goods and service tax, CGST that is central goods and service tax, and IGST integrated GST you can say. So whenever we are doing any transaction that is intra-state, that is within the state, then there will be two types of taxes. That is called SGST and CGST. SGST will go in the pocket of state government, and by the name you can understand, and CGST will go in the pocket of central government. By the name also we can understand that is CGST, that is central government GST. And if we are doing inter-state transaction, that is from one state to another state, we are sending any service or sending any goods, then there will be only one tax that will be called IGST, that is integrated GST, and that will go in the pocket of central government. But at the end of month or at the time period decided by government, all the revenue of the central government will be distributed to state government
Yeah,
for
good,
giving
good. Very
their
nice. You
share.
told
Yeah.
nicely about GST. Now let me ask you another question. Public sector undertakings are being taxed by government. Is it right to tax the public sector undertakings?
Sorry, sir.
Is it necessary or right to tax the public sector undertakings? The answer is yes.
Yeah,
They have to charge. Then only the money will come for central government, which it can use for social welfare measures and all that. Now, let me come to the very important question that is being discussed more in the market. Namely, what do you understand by disinvestment?
yeah, definitely. Actually, there are many industries in which government have their stake and they have control. Government already bought their share. That is control is presently control is in the hand of the government, that is, can say state government or central government. And now for the meantime, government are selling their shares to private sector. That is called disinvestment, because government's investment will go in the private sector. The government will take revenue for selling their shares. You can say in early time also, and today also this investment news in the market for Air India, we can say, and for some of the industries that are not doing well, that are they are going in loss from like many years. You can from like BSNL also. So government is planning for disinvestment and trying to give the control in the hands of private sector.
Good.
Because government thinks government is managing so properly, so they are selling their shares to private sector. That is called disinvestment.
Why are they disinvesting?
Main purpose of disinvestment that government thinks is not managing properly, and employees of the government sector not managing all the resources of their industries, their PSUs in proper manner. So they think if they will do disinvestment, then resources also will manage in very well manner, and their profit loss will be in the hand of private sector. So government ultimately will not lose the money of the public, we can say, because if government are managing an industry, then ultimately government invested money of public, and if loss in the public sector undertaking, then definitely public is losing in the behalf of government. So government wants to disinvest and trying to give the control in the hand of private sector. That
Good.
is, in the country, we can say government planning for railway also. That is some trains and some railway platform also trying to give in the private sector. Maybe all Air India also, GSN also. There are many industries that government are trying to give in private sector.
Good.
That is all about. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Now, today the sound is very, very bad. It is not as it was last time. So we will stop with this. Maybe we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, say by in the morning, I will come again at 9 o'clock in the morning. We will try. Because बिल्कुल
Sure.
टेलीकम्युनिकेशन में कुछ गलती है, आपका जगह पर और मेरा जगह पर कुछ गलती है, इसी वजह से रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक से नहीं
Okay.
है. Yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow 9 o'clock. You kindly, I won't forget. Don't you have a laptop with you? Do you have a laptop?
Yeah, I have a laptop, sir.
Why don't you use a laptop?
Actually, in starting, I used my laptop, but there was some issue in our mic. So now I am
There was
using my
problem
mobile.
in mic. There was problem in mic.
Yeah.
Why don't you use
So
your
tomorrow,
laptop and try with some other numbers and try to make it in a proper shape so that it can be used properly? I don't know. You only should tell me. Anyhow, the thing is, you can do one way. One is have broadband connection in this and
yeah,
then use it. Otherwise, have broadband here and then use in the laptop. Anyhow, because your ability is not coming out fully, your voice is not being heard fully. You have done well. Best wishes. We will meet tomorrow 9 o'clock.
yes,
Okay.
sure, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
But
Okay, bye.
tomorrow we will meet. Maybe by that time things may improve. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.